Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to another Next Level PC unboxing video. I'm Brian, and today we're going to be taking a look at the NZXT Phantom 410. It looks beautiful. Let's get on the inside and see if it holds up. Alright, let's open her up. This thing is a beast. One of the heavier cases we've unboxed. Yeah, definitely heavy. It's a good thing if you're looking for a nice sturdy case though. Alright, let's peel this off, get a closer look. Here we go. The front of the NZXT Phantom 410. First up, the front of this case does show you've got a 120mm fan on the bottom here that comes with it. And moving on up here to the top, behind the closed doors, you've got three different 5.25-inch bays for CD drives, or if you want to get a little thermostat in there. In addition to the two fans that come pre-installed on the front and the back, you also have included in this a large fan on top, a 140mm. You can also interchange with a 120, and on the side, same thing. It comes with the screw holes for a 140mm or a 120mm. Moving to the top, you see you've got your headphone jack and your microphone jack. You've got 4 USB ports. 2 of them are 2.0, while 2 of them are 3.0, and you've got your fan controller right here. You've got your power LED light right here and your hard drive light, your power switch, and your reset button. Venturing on to the inside here, you see that it does come with a 120mm fan pre-installed for you, and you can't see it, but there is another fan up there in the front, and we've got a nice big sized 140mm fan up here in the top. Now, looking at the cables, one thing I like about it, with this being a white case, I like how they are all black. That makes it look nice. And you do have these rubber little cable protectors here that are a little extra. You don't see that a lot when you're dealing with cable management. Now, one thing that's different about this case are these hard drive bays are actually positioned to be removed from the back. So that's a little bit different. You might not be used to seeing that. This is really cool. We thought it was worth mentioning. The box that has all of your screws and your zip ties and cables for some cable management is a little nicer than some of the other ones that we've seen. And it comes with a lot more stuff. You do have a user manual in here. You've got a warranty sheet and a couple other little things for cable management. And your screws are actually labeled. So we've never seen that before. I'm sure some of the other nicer cases have it, but this is the first one that we have seen that does. So just doing a little hard drive count for you. You do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different bays for your hard drives, 3.5-inch bays. Obviously this is set up for a RAID configuration because you do have a spot right here to put another 120mm fan if you choose to do it. And you can see here you've got 3 different spots for your 5.25-inch bays for a CD or a DVD-ROM drive. Another thing worth mentioning here on the hard drive bays is this whole piece right here is modular, so if you do not have this set up in a RAID configuration and you want some better airflow, you can actually remove this whole part pretty easily. Taking a look at the back side of this case, it has the pretty standard layout with the power supply going on the bottom and your motherboard ports going up here in the top left. And as we mentioned, it does come with a pre-installed 120mm fan for the back. You do have your 2 rubber holes here for water cooling, and just something to note and know here, the PCI Express slots for your graphics cards and other cards are easily removable and you can put them back in. The screws are on the inside, which we saw earlier. We pulled off the side panel here just to take a closer look at some of your cable management options. What's really cool about this case, you might not be able to see it right now because these cords are in front of it, but you do have some rubber protectants so that the cords aren't just flying all over the place. And you do see that you've got some holes there for putting your zip ties or cable ties through, and some more holes down here for pushing the cables through. So all in all, pretty nice. And like we mentioned earlier, you do have the hard drive removable slots here positioned in the back. Thanks for watching this Next Level PC unboxing video. If you liked what you saw, click like and subscribe. And keep in mind, Next Level PC does build custom PCs. So if you're in that market, click on the link below to Facebook and it'll take you right to us. You can send us a message. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you next time.